Shared understanding is required. Shared understanding and roadmaps are required between policymakers, industry, regulators, and investors. Because if the investors will end up investing huge sums in a technology which is likely to be dethroned, it will not be dethroned for some time to come. Whoever is winning seems invincible. So if lithium is winning, it will seem invincible. However, that may not be the case. Reality doesn't endorse that, which is why I brought the other side of the metric, other side of the argument, that this is what they are saying about lithium, and they are comparing silicon's current reign with lithium's reign. But I also feel that uh, it will not be, as Akhil said, it will not be a hybrid of everything. It will be, as you also said, Akshay, it will be a hybrid of some of the things. If we look at the hybrid of everything, we have ammonia, synthetic fuels, hydrogen, methanol, adiabatic, compressed air, liquid energy storage, pumped hydro, flywheels, supercapacitors, latent heat, thermochemical, and so on. The list is hundreds of technologies are there. But you have very valuably homed in on three kinds of technologies in particularly batteries, which makes the situation manageable and which illuminates the path a little forward rather than leaving it very loose that anybody can be a front runner. In your first slide also, you said that the front runners will be decided on these metrics. So that's a beautiful contribution. And and the other point which Akhil brought in, shared understanding is required. Shared understanding and roadmaps are required between policymakers, industry, regulators, and investors. Because if the investors will end up investing huge sums in a technology which is likely to be dethroned, it will not be dethroned for some time to come, because that investment itself will create a bulwark against its displacement when it is due. So, which is why investors also have to be illuminated through discussions like what my fellow panelists are doing, so that they understand that these are the areas to go in for long-term success.